As actuaries, we need to get better at sharing our value. If more people understand how we contribute, actuaries will have a greater impact on business and society, attract and keep the best people, gain opportunities to solve important problems. If we want other people to know our value, we need a consistent story, a way of uniting our message to the people we serve. We can share our value by answering two fundamental questions: why organisations need an actuary and why become an actuary. At the Actuaries Institute, we've been exploring these questions, and we have a new direction to share with you, one that's the result of a robust research process. We began by carefully reviewing all the research and thinking to date. We consulted with actuaries. We delved into the web analytics to track conversations about actuaries. We began to form a direction. And as we explore this direction, we will stay true to where we've come from. Actuaries will always be experts in managing risks. In finance, actuaries will always value analytical accuracy, contextual decision-making, and balancing stakeholder interests. It's about building on what we have, not leaving it behind. We need to be more explicit about our purpose, establish a clear value proposition, to show that we're ahead of trends in big data, to broaden our reach. To do that, we need one line that captures the essence of what we do, one that each of you can share. And it's this: actuaries use data for good. We're always seeking to have a positive impact. That's what we do. Let's explore how that answers those key questions. Why become an actuary? You'll think deeply about how people's interests should be balanced now and into the future. You'll use data to support an ethical, fair, and financially sustainable future. Why do organisations need an actuary? The future is data-rich, and actuaries are your objective advisors in navigating that future. We make sense of past and present data to forecast the spectrum of possibilities, and we guide you in navigating uncertainty. That's the core of our value, but we also know that actuaries use data for good in different domains. Some actuaries are drawn to the C-suite. They're strategic decision makers and advisors who use financial acumen and data mastery to drive commercial strategy, to secure a company's interests for the long term. Some of us are drawn to the actuarial data lab, analysing data, quantifying risk, or valuing assets and liabilities, designing and creating new products and new ways of working. Some actuaries work in commerce, some work in data science. We're constantly optimising everything we do. Some actuaries are drawn to public policy, using data to address questions of balance and equity across social groups and generations. And some actuaries are drawn to all three. The Actuaries Institute is here to help you across your career. There are so many areas where actuaries can have a positive impact. How do you use data for good?